as a recently sent-off digital money based on Ethereum blockchain. Long money is otherwise called long for conglomeration of yield cultivating. Authoritatively sent off on July 17, 2020, by cronje, long money is one of the most valuable decentralized finance coins. It is likewise known to be a stage that boosts income procured through computerized resources by yield cultivating. Examine this view before we start with nitty-gritty YFI cost forecast. More famous as the token long money has a developing fan following with a goal to expand yearly rate yields and is likewise eminent as a PY for its renowned clients. Known for holding the acknowledgement for a lofty decentralized project, long money tokens are used by clients as USDC, USDT, and EDI while executing different exchanges like saving assets, and so on. With the assistance of YFI tokens, clients can procure loaning charges as well as exchanging expenses. Under the umbrella of long, a large number of stablecoins get support VIS, DAI, USC, UST, TUST, and SUSD, and they are additionally moved among various upheld DeFi conventions like Compound, OV, DAI-DX, and BEND, based on which resource pool is offering the best return. Thus, we can include different exercises of long money, with the most conspicuous ones being one of a benefit-changing bank to increase loaning yield, going about as a facilitator for stablecoin exchanges, no capital robotized outlet for OV, and that of making vaults for getting and loaning needs connected with brilliant agreements. The vital classes to pick above classifications are portioned under procure, ZAP, APR, and vaults. It very well may be underlined that long money as a stage goes about as an impetus to advance stablecoins by means of loaning and getting through BEND money, and simultaneously enhancing pool liquidity with computerized resources. Worth focusing on is that the above whole ecospace of DeFi by long is overseen proficiently and actually. The YFI token assumes a vital part here. At present, this computerized coin cost is around $21,565.58 with a market cap of $790,708,582.40. The 24 hours exchanging volume remains at $127,896,725.40 with a circling supply of 36,638 YFI. Long money, market opinion. Despite the fact that put in an exceptionally unstable universe of crypto resources, ideal variables like tight security conventions and a high-level calculation assume a truly vital part in impacting speculations as well as long money cost expectation. The essential target of the YFI group has been to guarantee straightforwardness and simultaneously security. This multitude of variables comprise venture guidance by top agents as well as specialists. The ongoing cost of long money rises to $21,555.80. In view of our expectations, a drawn-out increment is normal. The cost figure for 2026 is $225,342. With a 5-year speculation, the complete worth of income is supposed to be around plus 621.18%. In light of our information of long money stage and its YFI token shows that the resource cost has been in an upswing for the beyond 1 year. In the forthcoming days, it might keep on showing a rising propensity. The future cost of the resource is anticipated at $108,898.93 following a year as per our expectation framework and monetary administration. The estimated yearn.finance cost toward the finish of 2022 is $28,666 and the YTD value changes may be around plus 33%. In the principal half of 2023, the long money cost will move to $29,416. In the final part, the cost would close the year at $25,984. YFI cost could triple in 6 years among other virtual monetary standards. Say by 2026, it ought to have an unmistakable meeting around $46,714 showing the least obstruction level. Established as of late in February 2020, long money has had an extraordinary group of devoted experts who are specialists in the digital currency market. The previous year demonstrated sensationally sure for long money in spite of the impacts of the pandemic. Albeit the coin eased back a piece in the final part of the year gone by, it got an extraordinary push finishing the year 2020 with enormous addition. From that point forward, there has been no thinking back for long money as it kept a cost of $29,730 all through according to the most recent news. The 5 years in length estimate is given underneath that portrays the YFI arrangement of hazard as well as gauge speculation situation for crypto market examination in view of day-to-day diagram and market news giving ascent and fall of long money DeFi token all-time excessive cost. Long money value expectations, 2022 to 2026. All said and done, the YFI pattern has been very forceful, prompting an exceptionally hopeful way. The coin might fill quickly, particularly for collusions. New organizations would carry YFI to the spotlight, making it the middle stage for ventures and a socially regarded cryptographic money. In the realm of digital currencies like YFI, there could be figures of marvels. There could be sorcery in the present moment as well. In light of information refreshes, it wouldn't be a distortion that this estimated digital money could break every one of the hindrances and endure everyday hardship. It's scaling above past all-time high, with a touch of tolerance and keeping the expectations high in the drawn-out costs. Financial backers can expect a completion time toward the finish of 2025, as the reception of YFI would develop dramatically. By when it would not anymore a credulous participant in the realm of digital currencies, yet a carefully prepared player. The usefulness of a cryptographic money characterizes its costs, and not its incredible beginning. We should investigate the digital money cost expectations by which merchants can settle on a legitimate choice to purchase long money. YFI Value Expectation 2022. Taking into account there are no unexpected shocks or a stony way forward for digital money markets, YFI is good to go to insist serious areas of strength for it as a significant fascination among its financial backer local area. The street ahead is loaded with pedals gave the financial backer certainty continues blasting, bringing about a significant push to the cost, taking it to cross all obstructions, scaling $28,910.64. YFI Value Expectation 2023. YFI has laid out a quick, solid organization and works with the client experience of the item. These elements can assist the YFI with instituting gain a lot greater cost of $34,766.18 per coin. On the off chance that the drive for utilitarian crypto go on into 2023, the cost might try and see a worldview rush. YFI Value Forecast 2024. There are many expectations going ahead for the YFI token, particularly keeping in context the mechanical declarations and progress the biological system has plans on. There are suppositions that its market cost might reach $35,368.05. The astonishing special endeavors might wrap up, making the financial backers gather the additions. Albeit the cryptographic money markets are totally eccentric, it would maybe take a supernatural occurrence for YFI to expand its cost by that much in such a short measure of time. YFI Value Expectation 2025. YFI is additionally dynamic in local area drives, taking into account they keep up force collecting a huge market cap. Their drives with an emphasis on training, effort, and developments might take them to a considerable degree of $45,829.36. A stunning hopefulness is likewise anticipated for YFI, predominantly because of its predictable exhibition over years. YFI will balance out to bring chivalrous returns for its clients. YFI Value Expectation 2026. On the off chance that all markets turn great, this computerized resource is set to break all hindrances and perform richly, scaling the top as previously mentioned, violating all impediments throughout the following year. It would without a doubt give indications of fortune, supported by powerful savvy contracts. Long money cost may handily contact $41,683.07.